Hi, another little video for you of these kangaroo care tops. This is a single baby one, so I'll give you this one as well, just in case you don't want to use the twin one all the time and you maybe just want to hold one baby, or you and your partner want to hold separately. So this is quite similar. It has the sort of arm straps, put it on like a little t-shirt, and again it has these two straps that come out at the side like so. So you would just literally wrap those round you, cross it over and just bring it round and tie it there. You can tie it to the side if you don't want to tie it right in the middle. And then again you've got pocket in the middle here. So again we're just going to get baby, lift up to the shoulder, put their arms up, and then again we're probably easy to go underneath and just pull that material away so your hand comes out. Get both their little legs, slide them gently down inside the pocket so that the little feet come out. Again, their baby will be up in this sort of fetal curled position, so you're just going to put the material so it goes underneath the bottom. It's just in their natural shape that they're in. Both their arms go inside like so. Baby should just gently rest its head against your shoulder there, your chest there. Then you can just make sure that this is sort of nice and comfortable on your shoulder. So you can spread it out a little bit. And then what I would probably do is again undo here and just tighten up a little bit. So just give it a tug out to the side and that side. You can make sure the material's kind of spread out across your back. Just give it a tighten like so, and just tie again underneath the baby's legs so there's no pressure on the back of baby's bottom or spine, and just tie it again underneath. Again, you could tie it off to the side if you didn't want the knot right there. You could tie off to the side, just in a knot or a bow. Okay, get this baby's arms back in, and again, as I said, it's just supporting underneath their bottom. If their feet are cold, you can always pull it down. Arms inside, baby's just basically right inside that little pocket, and the head should be there. Again, just making sure that baby's not slumping down really inside there, and that their head is sort of tilted back slightly, and you've got a good 2-finger space underneath there to protect their airway. Again, this is for sitting down mainly, kangaroo care, skin to skin, just having a nice little snuggle. Great for sort of feeding cues and just learning about that baby's newborn behaviour. Nice way to sit and snuggle for a bit. Tend to not be able to walk around hands free with these types of tops, because they are more of a carrying aid than an actual sling where you can be hands free like a stretchy, which we'll talk about when we see you. But great just for sitting and being snuggled. And yeah, so that's it. To get baby out, you would, again, you just slide down, you can just push the material down, reach inside and lift baby out gently and put them down. And then you're back to where you started. To take it off, just undo. You can undo the cross sections, and that's what it is. So again, that's what it looks like. Show you the inside. That's the inside where the baby is, and the 2 straps that come out from the side and wrap round and cross over. So very simple to use. T-shirt material, so you can pop them in the wash, no problem. If a baby's sick or you need to wash them, just pop them in with your normal t-shirts. Okay, thanks very much, bye.